newest project is painting a new painting almost every day. Just a great way to explore creativity and just keeping busy. Day one was an eggplant. The next day was grapes that I subsequently ate for lunch. Then I moved on to a little bit more complicated composition, some tomatoes, basil. I think I'm going to stick with something a little less complicated for today. Today is going to be an orange and an orange slice. All of these are on 6x6 canvas, and it's a very manageable little size, not too expensive, a way that you can paint every day and also not have to do a lot of prep. So I'm painting on a prepared background. I went ahead and they all have about the same background values of gray. Give the object a little shelf. And initially painting this orange, I'm just going to paint basically a large orange sphere. I have 5 values of orange mixed up, going from a mid value, which is the local color of my orange, progressing then to lighter values of orange, getting lighter, brighter, and warmer. The light's coming from the upper 1/4, slightly in front, so I will make sure that I have a light that's above center, slightly in front, that upper 1/4 quadrant. Now to get darker, I'm going to put in a crescent of dark. This crescent of dark is going to be the entire left side. The right side, even though it is on the side of the light, is a receding edge. And then the left side, which is the farthest away from our light source, so it's going to be darker, duller, cooler, all the way on that right outside edge. And notice that this dark goes under and almost a third of the way up on that right side. On a sphere shape, what happens is the big belly part of the sphere casts a shadow onto itself, therefore you have to have all of this dark on the underneath of the sphere to make it look round. I'm going to paint this in a couple of stages. The first stage is merely to give it the form of an orange, and I think that is that. Now I'm going to paint, if you can tell there's a little slice down here just about ready to fall off the shelf. Inside of oranges, of course, are a little bit lighter than those outside edges. So I'm starting with my lightest value. I think I'll probably just use my light and my medium on the inside of the slice here. Of danger and have it looking like it's just about to fall off this shelf. I think it's interesting how light and bright the orange looks because it's basically against its complement of blue. All around oranges you'll see that pith. And I want to get that started now, just so that I can blend it in slightly. I'm working with the Genesis heat set oils, which means that I'm going to take my heat set gun and dry this, and it'll be dry in probably about a minute, and then I can come back and do more to my piece. That's how I'm able to do a piece in a day, because I'm working with oils, but the heat set oils dry on demand, so I can have this dry, like I said, just about a couple minutes. If you'd like to learn more about the Genesis paint, go to our website at kingsland.com, and on the home page, about maybe a third of the way down, you'll see a free DVD there you can view and learn all about the paint. Okay, I'm going to dry this and finish it up. I start adding some texture to this orange. That's always what makes it look like an orange. I have a yellow tint on my brush. I'm just adding almost a scumble in a dot pattern, and the light is just being caught on those raised areas. So the goal is to try to end up with areas that look like they're holes, because it only shines in the light areas. It'll never shine in the dark, and so it's not going to shine in any of those little recessed holes. Of course, it's going to be the lightest in that upper 1/4, where the light's striking it directly.